Hello, I'm Shannon. Today I'm going to cook a popular addicting Chinese street food, popcorn chicken. First, we need to clean and dry basil leaves. Chop garlic. Combine salt, pepper, and 5 spices to make sprinkling mix. Punch chicken breast to loosen up the muscle fiber. Cut chicken breast into bite size. Marinate chicken breast with salt, pepper, soy sauce, and chopped garlic. Mix flour, tapioca, starch, and baking powder. Different formulas of the batter used in Chinese cooking deliver quite distinctive texture and taste. Today's formula is to achieve a crunchy rather than crispy result. Pick up 2 tablespoons dry mix to coat marinated chicken breast without adding water. Now add water to the remaining mix to make batter. Coat chicken with the batter. Add oil to seal and add crispiness to the batter. Now put dry sweet potato starch in a bowl. Dredge battered chicken with sweet potato starch piece by piece. Preheat oil over medium-high heat until bubbles appear around tips of chopsticks. Put in chicken. Separate chicken with chopsticks. Deep fry until light brown. Add basil leaves. Continue to fry until basil leaves become dry. Remove. Let cool for 1 to 2 minutes. After removing chicken, continue to heat up the oil over high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Return the chicken back into oil. Fry until golden brown. Sprinkle with salt and pepper mix. So, when cooking this popcorn chicken, we need to pay attention to the formula of the batter and 3 layers of coating, plus 1 time of sealing. In this way, the chicken is very crunchy and could remain crunchy even overnight. If you liked this video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Sha Nai Nai. See you next time.